Hello guys, this is Konstantinos from Need for Upgrade. In today's video we're going to show you our very long anticipated dream car. It's the Huracán STO. You can see it over here standing behind me. This car has been my personal dream car since many years. Here at Need for Upgrade we have been changing some cars from time to time, and we finally made it, and the car is in our garage, in our workshop. Today we're going to upgrade a bit the already beast car. It doesn't need a lot of upgrades, it's already very nice and with aero kit and everything, but it's what we do. We like to upgrade cars, so let me show you what we will do. First of all, we will install a front lip. We will put some small but sexy side skirts, and this trim over here will be added somewhere here and will make the front end more bulky. The interior of the STO is fully carbon fiber as well. The door panels, the air conditioned vents, even the floor, there are no floor mats, so the whole floor is carbon fiber. It's just a thin layer of carbon fiber. The seats are carbon fiber. Basically, as I said earlier, the whole car. It feels so nice to drive. It's a driver's car. There is nothing related to the previous versions of Huracán, but it's a very stiff. You will see, you already saw this car because the video is coming later. You already saw this car on track on our full throttle event. I hope you enjoyed it. Let's start with the installations.